Welcome to A Couple of Kiddos. I'm Clarissa, and this is Rufio, and we got a costume for him today. He looks so cute. He's a little dinosaur. Isn't he adorable? Oh. Today we're going to do a little craft video. I love Halloween and I love crafts, so we're going to turn this pumpkin into Mickey Mouse. Before we get started, I wanted to show you the tools I'm going to use to make this Mickey Mouse pumpkin. Of course, we need a pumpkin. And then we also went to Target and got some black acrylic paint and red acrylic paint and just some paintbrushes to help me paint it on. They're the little sponge ones. I thought that'd probably be easy. A lot of different sizes. And then I also have these little yellow buttons that I've had because I made a bathing suit, a Mickey Mouse bathing suit like 2 years ago. Maybe I'll put a picture here for you to see what it looked like. Really cute. And then also, I just got some posters, like a hard poster board, black, to make some ears for him. And of course, I'll need razor blade to cut it. All right, let's get started.
Cool.
All right, let's get started. We're gonna make a line down the middle to have his red pants, and then we're gonna make the top part black. So let's see. Looking straight. I think we'll start with the bottom, so we'll put our hands in it. So we'll start with the red. Try to keep that straight line. Use a small one to get the details. Gonna push it to that line. While we let this dry, I'm gonna start cutting the ears. The ears with this foam board. I'm not a greatest artist, but we're gonna try the best to eyeball the size of the ears. And now we have 2 ears. 2 ears for the Mickey. We're probably gonna let the pumpkin dry a little more before we start putting the other touches on. So, we'll be right back. All right, pumpkin's all dry. Time to finish it up. I forgot to put in our tools that we needed a hot glue gun. Duh. Forgot about that. So let's see, let's put the buttons right on here where we want them. I'd say about there. Where should we spread them out more? Maybe about there. You just get a marker, mark where I want them. Now, I put the ears on. We'll have to make these little Mickey Mouse ears. Might want to cut them a little bit around so they can go on here a little easier. There we go. I'm probably gonna add just a little bit of glue on the back for extra hold. Show you what I did. Oh, good news on me. Just a little extra hold in the back since you won't see it. All right, we're all done. Our little Mickey is so cute. It was really quick, really easy. The part that took the longest is probably the drying. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you soon.